working.
They are so cool.
Yeah, that's weird. Dude, what is that? Why is it making that noise? Jeff, do me a favor.
Flush. Drains us, you guys. So, as you guys saw, I had my morning pretty busy with the plumber. But everything seems good now for what I know. What? Emmett's being a little brat. Come here, Emmett. Let me give him a popsicle real quick. Thank God for my little brother. He's here today. They got out of school early because the school was too hot. So they gave them an early dismissal. But thank God for him because he's keeping him busy and out of my face for the most part. My brother, Ben will need some grocery money. So we went grocery shopping. And I'm gonna make some spaghetti tonight. Don't know what else to make. I'm just so tired of food. Like, I don't know, you guys. I'm not tired of food. I'm tired of cooking. So, I didn't eat anything yet, by the way. It's 12:30. I'm starving. I'm about to pass out. I'm actually gonna sit down and snack on some chips real quick just to get some energy because I don't have anything right now, and I really feel like I'm gonna pass out. Yeah. Trying these out, the protein plus spaghetti, because I don't get enough proteins, and since they had the protein one, I just figured, yeah, why not? I'm so hungry. Here it is, you guys, my spaghetti. I have a way better recipe, but because Jason is limited to what he can eat, meaning he has allergies, I usually put shrimp and sometimes crab legs, jalapenos I can't put in there because the kids eat it. That's why I use the pepper flakes. Mushroom I usually put in there, but Jason don't eat mushrooms, so this is his recipe. Well, not his recipe, but like the recipe that I use for him. I am so like discombobulated. Let me just eat.
Let's try it out. It fits, but that's a little piece sticking out right here. I don't think that's right. Ooh, I think I found it. The letter G. And
Oh my god, that was the worst nap ever. My room is in the front of the house where the sun shines, and it was like the sun rays from the window was fighting the air conditioning. It was just so bad. I was dying in there, and then I had to stay up and fan Emmett. He was soaked in sweat. It was really bad. Like I feel nauseous thinking about the heat right now. I don't feel good at all. But it was a good, I want to say 3-hour nap for Emmett, which is great. He's eating spaghetti now that I made earlier. He's in a great mood, so I just don't feel well at all. I feel really nauseous. You broke it, Emmett. Uh-oh. Snacking on some nuggets that I threw in the air fryer. So good. The barbecue sauce. He had spaghetti earlier. I think I showed that already though. What do you want, Balto? What do you want? Here, Emmett. Eat the butt. Eat the dinosaur butt. Oh my goodness. They're dinosaur shapes, by the way, and I'm telling him that he's eating the dinosaur feet, head, tail, butt. It's making him eat it, so whatever works. Whatever works, Max. Oh, you're missing teeth.
Yeah. So, Emmett just said he wanted to go poop. This could be revolutionary. Oh, wee wee in the picture. See what happens.
He just randomly said he wants to come poop.
This is coffee. The way you
Can you get off of me?
This is what fresh sounds like.
What do you want?
Tastes like. Freshly ground.
What do you want?
Brewed all day. Smooth.
It's too hot for this. I mean, get off of me now.
Dunkin' Donuts. This is coffee.
What if there were a toy store for dads? It would be filled with cool stuff to get things done. It would be the Home Depot, where you'll save on great gifts for Father's
What do
Day.
you want?
Use creative
What are you
science.
doing?
Or 6.
You love mommy?
Power compact drive.
Give me a kiss.
Or a grill that delivers even heat in no time. Dad, get back to the game. Get him this Ryobi kit and get a
Okay.
solar battery.
Okay.
The Home Depot.
Oh my God, I almost
More
spilled the
safe,
noodle.
more doing. On June 30th.
It's hot. Touch it. It's hot. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, I'm sorry. Bang. Bang. Okay, say bye-bye. Good night. Bye-bye.
Today,
Bye-bye, friend.
at a time like this.
Bye-bye.
So at Citizens Bank,
Bye-bye.
we created banking tools that fit how you're living today. From advanced ATMs,
Y'all can see it.